This banging lamb Rogan Josh is a classic dish served in many British Indian restaurants in the UK.
Make sure to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Heat some ghee or oil in a pan, then fry your onions along with a good pinch of salt for 3 to 4 minutes. This recipe uses my mixed curry powder as its main spice blend. It adds unique flavour to British Indian restaurant style curries. So add it to the onions along with the garlic and ginger paste and chilli powder, then stir well. You then want to cook this for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour into the pan the tomato puree which has been mixed with water and then my famous curry based gravy. Now you can find all of the recipes for the mixed curry powder, gravy and the lamb tikka linked in the caption so you can make this at home. Once you've stirred through the yoghurt and fenugreek, bring the sauce up to a simmer. Then it's time to add in the beautiful lamb tikka which has been lovingly cooked over the barbecue. Remove the lamb tikka from the skewers it's been cooked on and then throw in some fresh tomatoes and simmer gently for 5 minutes. Check the seasoning, you may want to add a little bit more salt and pepper and then finally finish with a generous handful of fresh coriander. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please take the time to check out my other videos and of course hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate your support. Just serve this curry up with a portion of pilau rice and a fluffy naan. This was